How you can get legendary items in Archero 2. So first of all, the first method is by going in blacksmith and then changing your specific item to a higher grade. As you can see, if I select my specific armor, I can upgrade it to max HP, which is 140 by default. But after taking that armor to blacksmith, you can upgrade it as well. Next method is by going in this shop option, and this is where you can click on the draw and open the chromatic chest, and this is another way to get some legendary items as well. You can also see the disclaimer, which is guaranteed epic gear within 8 opens and guaranteed S tier epic gear within 48 opens. So I recommend to go with the bulk option. Once you open it in bulk, you can have more chance of winning S grade items in your specific grades. So these are the few methods of how you can get legendary items in Archero 2.